Assalamu alaikum friends. Muhammad Naeem from Kandahar, Afghanistan. Since 2020, I'm working with Trojan Global Tyre Company. I work them in different brands like Onyx, Ovation, Drago. I get another. Alhamdulillah, in this integration, they did good function with me. I really pleased them. Their business partnership with me inside of Trojan Global Tyre Company. Mr. Hamid Iqbal, the really happiness and morality person. He is with me. He stimulated my business and he worked very morality with me. I really thank him. He supported my business and he shared his business experiences with me. These are the points that Alhamdulillah in a short time I covered the big part of the market, and now we are in progressing. I really thanks Mr. Hamid and we hope that we have long business relation and business partnership with Trojan Global Tyre Company, and especially with Mr. Hamid Iqbal. I'm telling that I really appreciate him, and he stimulate my business, and long-term terms of good business and good business partnership with Trojan Global Tyre Company and Mr. Hamid and their all other partners. Thanks, have a nice time, thank you.
For more information, please visit our website www.trojanlimited.com.